Hey guys, just want to welcome you back for another video. And today is March 1st, which means it is release day for Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasures. And this is actually the first release for 2025. And to kick it off, she has released Matthew and Maisy Mouse. And this collection is just so stinking cute. Oh my god. Dawn, myself, and the other gals on the design team, we have all been having just so much fun making stuff with these guys. And to kick off release day, I am making 5 cards. I'm using the A2 size, if you're curious. And I'm trying to do a wide variety of stuff here on the camera to kind of not only showcase the things that are in the collection, but also to add another video for inspiration for you guys, because I know we've all been having so much fun working with this, and tons and tons of great videos have already been coming out. And there's a couple gals on the Facebook group that are posting all kinds of stuff, so definitely want to go check that out. All the links per usual will be down in the description box. And there are digital papers available with this, as well as she has released the final chapter of the Cutesy Critters collection, and that stamp set is also available for purchase as of today, and that is also really cute. The last video I did, I believe, was a mixed media card featuring the stamp set while we were getting geared up for release day today. So again, today is release day for Matthew and Maisy. All the links per usual will be down in the description box, so you're definitely going to want to go check it out. And I will try to wrap this up pretty quick, and then I will tip the rest over into music. Because again, today's video is primarily letting you get a look at all the goodies. There are also pre-cut ephemera packs, if I didn't say that. And then, yeah, I think I said the digital papers are also available. So go forth and have fun, because seriously, oh my god, so cute. So cute. So anyway, hope you guys have fun. Hopefully the video gives you some inspiration, gets you a good peek at what is available in this collection. Yeah, I think that was it. So if I missed anything, all the details will be down in the description box along with the links. So have fun, you guys. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. If you're interested in some more content, here's a couple videos you might want to check out, and I will catch up with you in the next one.